Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Teamtronics channel, where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be discussing the basics of Nmap and Kali Linux. We will be performing basic Nmap scans on Kali Linux. What is Nmap? Nmap is a free open source utility used for network discovery and vulnerability scanning. It's used by security professionals to discover devices running in their environments. Nmap can also reveal services and the ports each host is running or serving, thus exposing potential security risks. Now, some of the things that we could do in Nmap are we could scan a single IP, we could scan a host, we could scan a range of IPs, we could scan a subnet, or we could scan targets from text, or we could do a basic scan, or we could do an OS scan. Okay. So while in Kali Linux, let's see, we could get my mouse and pointer going. You would open a terminal like such. Maybe I could expand this terminal a little bit. And we can see that we have access to Nmap. So I have a few basic scans that I want to do. Say I want to scan a single host or scan a single IP. Then I would put Nmap 192.168.0.126. I just want to scan that one and see. So starting an Nmap scan. So it seems, let me try a different host. Let's try that one. And we'll just patiently wait for whatever to happen to happen. All right, so we got some information back. What I just did was I basically did a scan on my router to see what's up. And what I found is that it has 22 open for SSH, 53 TCP open for domain, 80 open for TCP, 443 open for HTTPS, 1900 for TCP UPnP, and 20,005 TCP open for BTX. So you can learn a lot about your network by just going and scanning different things. I could scan a host. Let's see if I can scan a host. Nmap. Let's see. PRW Bank dot net. Let's see what they got. Failed to resolve, but well, we can do my own site. Oh, we'll go www.rwilsonjr.com. This is pretty cool stuff. And we get a report. So we show that the host is up, shows DNS information, so on and so forth, and it shows all the open ports. And it does this really quick, as you can see. So this is a pretty good, awesome program. Now, say I want to scan a range of IPs. I don't know if I have time to do that at this moment, but we'll give it a shot. Let's see. Nmap 192.168.0.1 dash 254. Let's see what we get when we scan a range of IPs. Just curious. So it's going to take a minute. I might pause the video and let it do its thing. And maybe the way I'm doing this might take longer than it really needs to. I don't know. Maybe I could have done a scan of a subnet. It's always a possibility. And it does it. And it says that it found 23 hosts. And it did the scan in 45.26 seconds. So I have quite a few things disconnected. And it shows all the open ports for all the devices. Pretty interesting stuff. So, I mean, hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the basics of Nmap. If you really like the video, feel free to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, visit all my links down below, and support the channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.